Ladakh now, where the lone constituency heads to polls today. It's primarily a three-way contest between the BJP, the Congress and an independent candidate. While Ladakh has seen many religious and regional divides, this time it's going to be a little bit different. There's one issue that's going to be playing big during these polls. That is the matter of statehood. In Jammu and Kashmir now, Baramulla is the seat in the north of the valley that heads to the polls. The valley will be seeing the most high-profile contest take place between National Conference leader and the former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, Sajid Ghani Lone of the PC, and Engineer Rashid, who was contesting as an independent from behind bars. He was even charged under the UAPA.
मेरी बारामूला लोकसभा निशस्त के वोटरों से यही अपील होगी कि वो बढ़ चढ़ के इस इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लें और अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करें। मुझे नहीं लगता है कि लोगों को जो है अपने वोट ज़ाया करने चाहिए। मैं ये इलेक्शन इसलिए नहीं लड़ रहा हूँ कि मुझे किसी और की हार पे जो है खुशी हो। मैं ये इलेक्शन इसलिए लड़ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे खुशी होगी कि मैं बारामूला के लोगों की जज्बातों की तर्जुमानी करूँ, उनकी नुमाइंदगी करूँ, और इसलिए मैं उनसे उम्मीद करूँगा कि बढ़ चढ़ के वो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के हक़ में वोट डालें।
मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है तमाम नौजवानों से, बुजुर्गों से, इस वोट से ही आप अपने नुमाइंदे को पार्लियामेंट आज तक भेजते आ रहे हैं। लेकिन जम्मू कश्मीर में अगर आप पिछले 30 सालों में देखेंगे 30% या 35% या कहीं कहीं पे 5% भी पोलिंग हुई है। तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरी गुजारिश है तमाम लोगों से कि अपने अपने घरों से निकले, एक अच्छे नुमाइंदे को जो आपको अच्छा लगे उसको आप पार्लियामेंट में भेजिए, जो आपकी वहाँ नुमाइंदगी करे, जो यहाँ इस मजलूम कौम की नुमाइंदगी करेगा, जो यहाँ के नौजवान बेरोजगार नौजवानों की बात करेगा, जो यहाँ हमारे हज़ारों नौजवान जेलों में हैं उनकी बात वहाँ पार्लियामेंट में करेगा। तो आज निकलिए, अपना कीमती वोट उस कैंडिडेट को दें जो कैंडिडेट आपकी बात करेगा।
Now, we're being joined by my colleague who is going to be getting us updates from Jammu itself. Pradeep joins us on the broadcast. Pradeep, you know, the Baramulla constituency, which is heading to the polls today, has a very significant population of Paharis, which is a linguistic minority in Jammu and Kashmir, who were recently granted tribal status by the BJP. Tell us more about how significant an issue that's going to matter in today's vote.
See, if we talk about the elections, you rightly said that there are 22 candidates in free, and there is going to be a triangular contest between Vice President of National Conference, then we have People Conference Sajid Lone, and then we have a jailed candidate who is popularly known as Engineer Rashid. So this time there is a triangular contest, and the political dynamics has already changed because of the INDI alliance, because Congress is this time not contesting election from the Kashmir Valley, because they had been contesting election from both the seats in Jammu and Udhampur, where the National Conference and PDP both had been supporting them. So that way the political dynamics have changed. Whosoever is going to win, that only the time will tell when finally on the June 4th the EVMs will be opened. But one thing is quite clear, that there is a victory of democracy right now in Kashmir Valley. Rightly said by one of the candidates that earlier there used to be 5%, 8%, 10% voting. But this time by 12, it was more than 34% voting. That means it's going to cross the number what it had achieved last time in 2019, because the same thing happened in the Srinagar constituency also. That's one of the reasons that we have seen that Pakistan and Pak proxies are completely rattled. Just hours before this Baramulla constituency voting, we saw that there was a terror attack. They targeted two tourist couple in Pahalgam area. Then one Sarpanch was also targeted, who later succumbed to his injuries. But unfortunately, our Kashmir-centric netas, they are trying to politicize this terror attack instead of blaming Pakistan and the terror-related organization who are getting support from Pakistan. They are trying to put blame on Delhi, trying to say that Delhi is doing so. Farooq Abdullah even went to the extent of saying that there should be a proper investigation. Investigation should be done by the international agencies. One should ask Farooq Abdullah this question. Jammu and Kashmir, one, is an integral part of India. Second, India is an independent country. Why India will need any independent organization or international organization to conduct inquiry in this regard? Because already our security agencies are working on it, and they know that which organization, terror organization, is responsible for this act.
Absolutely.
And already
Pradeep,
the coordinator.
thank you so much for joining us. Unfortunately, we'll have to leave it with that. But thank you for joining us, telling us more about the crucial points there when it comes to the elections in Jammu and Kashmir today, with a focus on Baramulla. Now,